Hey everyone, it's Caitlin with ForestryDoors.com. Today we're going to walk you through the installation of our Bobcat M-Series polycarbonate side window. A huge thanks goes out to Storeway in Marion, Indiana for letting us use their machine for this demo. This side window is available in 3/8" optical grade clear polycarbonate that's 250 times stronger than glass, yet still lightweight. Each panel is hard coated on both sides, giving you long-lasting scratch resistance and clarity that holds up in the field. We designed it as an OEM-specific replacement, which means it's precision cut, the seal is pre-fit, and all of the mounting bolts are included. There's no drilling, no hassle, and you'll use the same tools you already have in your shop. The Bobcat M-Series window comes as one solid panel, so there's no sliding option to open it. It's meant to be tough plug-and-play upgrade that goes in quickly and immediately approves your cab. In this install, you'll see how simple it is. Position the seal, set the panel in place, bolt it down to the OEM points, and you're ready to go. Now let's watch this install video. Once installed, you'll notice the difference right away. The cab feels quieter, tougher, and more secure than the standard glass. Whether you're mulching, working in demolition, or clearing land, this side window gives you the durability you need. Order your side window today from ForestryDoors.com. They're in stock and ship the same day or next business day. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more installation videos and product walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and until next time.